of Jesus. Glory be to God. Glory be to Jesus. I have seen the handwork of Jesus. Glory be to God. Amen. I have seen the handwork of Jesus. Glory be to God. Glory be to Jesus. I have seen handwork of Jesus. Glory be to God. Amen. I have seen handwork of Jesus. Glory be to God. So there's something wrong with you, God. What is in this house? What is in this house that I've refused to help an helpless person? What is in this house? God, Jesus.
Why are you disturbing the neighbors with your noise? Helpless person indeed. Just look at the way you are useless in your life.
You have refused to help an helpless person.
Better sit down because if you fall here, I won't touch you.
That is the problem with all these women of these days. You have no respect.
Respect for a drunkard like you.
If you call me that, that is where the problem might.
That's what you are now. You're a drunkard. Just look at you.
I came in here, you refused to give me food.
What food?
They used to offer me help.
What help?
Yes, you call me your husband.
What stupid husband are you?
You are stupid.
Yes, that's what you are.
I will soon show you what a stupid husband does for me. Put it to your husband and forgot that respect is reciprocal. Don't worry. Where is this stupid woman? Come here. I'm not. I will kill him her today.
Guys, what's the deal now? Never seen here before. Yes, man. Go, see you. You're not that girl. Guys, that girl, man. I want to marry you. I really love this girl. I want to marry you. You help me. I'll help you. Are you sure you can help me? In this case now, I'll help you. Are you sure you can help me? I'll help you. I know you. I know you. I have seen you. This don't think for this girl to smell. She not this girl, man. I will help you. I'm not going to go. Wait, now I'll take it easy. Now look at that. Wait, now let me. Let's go. I'll get it.